Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin had an amazing run up. Remember when we were down here at $4,000 Bitcoin, ran up to $40,000 Bitcoin, 10x'd in a short period of time. Now 28% pullback, about a 9% bounce out of Bitcoin, right? This is a bearish scenario. We have to identify a bearish case and a bullish case. Sometimes it's easier to react than predict. Like this is not, I post a bunch of videos on TikTok today. Go over, follow me on TikTok at cryptobitcoinchris. And people are like, they want this to be a crystal ball, and it's not that. We're just trying to create an edge. Just a slight edge even will help us be a lot more successful trading this market. And so what I want you to understand here is what's possible. Okay, so this is a possible head and shoulders type pattern. What happens with Bitcoin a lot is you'll get these head and shoulders topping patterns. And they don't always play out. A lot of times you get fake outs and they bounce, right? Because what happened here? See how you get this rollover and then you get a double bottom, and then a reversal. Okay, so here's the first bottom. This could be the second bottom. All right, so we're watching this area right here. A break lower, confirmed break lower with volume confirmation. You're looking for $27,600 Bitcoin, then possibly $24,000. Measured move down here is $21,000. Okay, so it could happen. It could happen. Also, you know, the bullish case would be that you put in this large double bottom and Bitcoin takes off to the upside. A lot of people are cheerleading for this pullback because they want to get big. They want to buy Bitcoin when they should have previously. They want to buy Bitcoin for a lower price. A lot of people were cheerleading for this. A lot of the herd bought the top and they're ready. They're just potentially selling out of fear at this point. So it's really important, make or break for Bitcoin. We're watching this area right here. Now we're going to zoom into some of the lower term time frames and look at some other ideas. Potentially this could have been an inverse head and shoulders pattern and still could be. You know, Bitcoin could put in this little double bottom right here, and if it breaks above this level 36,500, you confirm this bullish pattern, and then you're looking for a test of all-time highs again. Again, this level down here doesn't hold. You've got some downside. Rolls over, right? I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I've got a full-time job. I'm a mechanical engineer. I oversee the production of a large multinational manufacturing facility in South Africa. He's been in lockdown. He has no trading experience ever. And his portfolio is up 40% since Christmas. Amazing success. New people, new traders. These are new traders. These are not experienced traders. I will teach you how to trade this market and understand how this market moves. This person stated, I've only been trading with small amounts. My entire portfolio is up over 34% in the last 10 days. He said, I had a conversation with my boss, and he said, I'm okay. If these other employees need some hours, they can take my hours. Life-changing money. If you are tired of working for the man, this market will change your life forever. Learning some basics will make this tremendously profitable for you in a short period of time. If you're ready to quit your day job, learn to trade this market. This person stated her 17-year-old son, who's trading alongside her, got $200 for his birthday. He 22x'd his $200. He turned it into $4,500 based on the ideas and the strategies that he learned along with his mom in the trading group. This person made $5,000 today on a Bitcoin setup. Right now, if you sign up and you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. Go to my website for more information, cryptorev.net. A lot of news to cover with you guys today. So, Symbol XYM airdrop has been announced for NEM or XEM holders. So you'll see an airdrop. So this is idea for some positive price action for XEM. Verge Currency in the news. So they had some exciting news. They're talking about CES and this new partnership. And this is called Voice Life Inc. The road to wireless power from Verge Currency. Also, Verge halving is coming up approximately Sunday, January the 24th. Look for some type of halving run up for Verge. I'll show you the setup that I posted earlier. You've got this potential double bottom. You got a golden cross on the 4 hour. This is XVG BTC. Essentially, you want to buy the breakout of this bull pennant. Buy the breakout of this bull pennant, and here are your targets listed over here. So Verge halving run up and potentially new partnership hype didn't move the price very much for Verge. Cody. This is the roadmap for Cody's had so much news. And because of Bitcoin stealing the show, hasn't really taken off as much as people would like it to. However, roadmap for the first quarter has been released. Staking 3.0 coming in February. Debit card bank accounts. Exchange license. CVI mainnet launch. Ultra 2.0. Exchanges mainnet 1.0. So there's a ADA pay on Shelly mainnet. Added liquidity. Ledger is coming the first quarter. So Cody, solid fundamental news. Bittrex, somebody said, hey, heads up on Bittrex. I was just looking at holdings and a bunch of companies just showed up. Apple, Amazon, Alibaba, Beyond Meat, Facebook, Tesla. Is this where we're headed? So, there's some exchanges in the United States that have trouble listing these coins that could potentially be securities. And so now, Bittrex used to be the exchange to be on. Because they had all the small coins. Interesting to see how this turns out. Now, to follow up with that, Injective Protocol came out, and they're launching the world's first ever Tesla stock futures trading. This is on their Solstice Pro testnet. So you're able to trade Tesla on INJ. I was going to give you guys a setup, and it broke out before I could get this video posted, edited. Takes quite a few hours. So, also Injective is releasing a fully decentralized futures trading platform. And so my focus here is, so SNX is another one. I think a lot of these are going to be hot because people perceive them to be hot. Like, this is a lot of speculation. This market's very speculative. If people believe this is going to be successful, it will be, because they're going to buy the coins and the prices will increase. It's not so much like, hey, let's dive deep and interview the team and do all this research. It's like, hey, if they're good in marketing, if they've got a good angle, if they've got good roadmaps, if they have a shiny red bow on them, people are going to buy them. And so I want you guys to watch INJ and SNX going forward. I was about to give you this INJ setup. It pumped crazy on this news, hit the first target, and now it's retraced because Bitcoin's all over the place. Bitcoin's pulling back. Again, same thing here. Now, this still, by the breakout, is still good. Bitcoin pulls back. These USDT pairs are going to take a hit, right? Solana came out earlier And they announced the USDC SPL on the Trust Wallet app. Now you can transfer your USDC in less than a second with very cheap fees. Solana's really fast, and this has got a lot of upside as well, so keep an eye on SOL. I found this infographic, coins that recently reached a new all-time high. A lot of these are listed on Binance. Avalanche, Binance Coin, Aave, ERD. Actually, it's EGLD now, right? It's been rebranded. Bitcoin, Venus, Blockstack, and Maker. I'm sure these are on other exchanges, but if you haven't signed up for Binance, there's a link in the description. If you're in the United States, you have to use PureVPN. Again, links in the description for that. But the point is this. We're going to see these coins hitting all-time highs and then some. And they just keep going and going because there's a point where this is price discovery, right? They get up there. They've never been to that price level. And so there's no resistance to stop these guys. And so always focus on these coins. When they hit all-time highs, like they just explode. And it's just pump city. All right, let me talk to you guys about Bitcoin dominance. And it's really this simple. If this breaks higher and pumps, and Bitcoin rallies, this thing's pumping, right? Bitcoin dominant, altcoins are going to take a hit. Alt season, if this support level breaks, altcoin season, it's off to the races. These altcoins, the money just flows into these altcoins, and we'll get some amazing trading on these altcoins. Ethereum, so here's a bullish setup, and you know what? Going the wrong way. So I talked to you guys the other night about this, where Ethereum is going to break down and basically hit the measured move target. Now, I mean, you could possibly say that there's a falling wedge in here. You know, this is going to break to the upside at some point. 68% chance this breaks higher, right? A little falling wedge in here. The most important thing is you want this next low to be a higher low, right? As soon as you start to put in a lower low than this, Ethereum's in trouble. And again, the bulls have to push this price higher, break out to the upside. You'd buy the breakout, and there's all-time highs, right? This, you get a break below about 950, candle body closes, and you're looking for more downside out of Ethereum. The other day, I was talking about how there's a lot of new money in this market, a lot of retail investors that, you know, they FOMO'd into the top, and they're panic selling their Bitcoin now. And, you know, people in the comments were no, this is all whales. This is institutions dumping. So just to give you an example of what I was looking at and talking about is PayPal's new crypto unit just traded over $240 million in a single day. This is data from itBit. There's a ton of new money in this market. I think I was looking at the coins that were pumping today, and they just keep pumping and pumping and pumping. And it's really just retail looking at these coins thinking, buy the green coin. They're buying the greenest coins, right? And so maybe you see some of these coins with the best technical patterns, and it's really about what's pumping and what's available, what's listed on Coinbase, what's listed on PayPal. You know, so what are the top gainers on Binance? So just to kind of shed some light on that idea. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bells for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.